So if you want to restore your WhatsApp backup without uninstalling the app, it is not directly supported by the WhatsApp. But there are a few methods that you can recover your message. Well, you have to allow your restore for the Google from the Google Drive. You have to open up your WhatsApp here. Once you are here, you have to tap on the three dots. And here you have to just go for the setting option. And here you have to scroll down and go for the chat option here. And once you are on your chat option, here you can see the chat backup. Just tap on that. And here you can see that you will back up your last backup in your Google account. Just go for your Google account here. So here you can see that. Also, you can go back and you can transfer your chat to the Android device if you want to restore your WhatsApp backup without uninstalling. So first of all, you have to just go and back up your chat. Then you can easily restore the WhatsApp backup here without uninstalling. So this process will help you to restore your WhatsApp message. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.